In this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-level numbering list in Microsoft Word step by step. Let's open a Microsoft Word document. This is the document that I've taken as an example. Suppose you have to number the animal names with their species in this document. Place your cursor anywhere on the text that you want to format as a multi-level number and click the Multi-Level Numbering command on the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Define New Multi-Level List. A pop-up window should appear on the screen. In the pop-up, click the More button to reveal extra options. Choose Level 1 from the left panel. Click on Enter Formatting for Number and delete the default text. Click on the number style for this level and choose a numbering style from the list. Set the number alignment to left, set Aligned At to 0 inches, and set text indent to 0.25 inches. Copy the text indent value, which is 0.25 inches. Now, choose Level 2. Click on Enter Formatting for Number, delete the default text, and select a numbering style. Now, bring the cursor before the number, then click Include Level Number From, and choose Level 1 because Level 2 is subordinate to Level 1. Add a dot between the level numbers. Set number alignment to left. Paste the text indent value that you copied from Level 1 here under Aligned At. Set the new text indent value to 0.625 inches. Now, copy the text indent value from here, which is 0.625 inches. Next, choose Level 3. Click on Enter Formatting for Number, delete the default text, and choose a numbering style. Bring the cursor before the number, then click Include Level Number From, and choose Level 2 because Level 3 is subordinate to Level 2. Now take the cursor back once more, click on Include Level Number From, and choose Level 1 because Level 2 is subordinate to Level 1. Add a dot after the number again. Paste the text indent value that you copied from Level 2 here under Aligned At. Set the new text indent value to 1.125 inches. Our listing format is now complete. To automatically number chapters and sections and maintain hierarchy in long documents, it's better to use heading styles. Choose Level 1 and click on Link Level to Style. Now pick the style Heading 1, then choose Level 2 and pick Heading 2. And finally, choose Level 3 and pick Heading 3. Click OK. Now, place the cursor on the text and choose the desired heading style from the top gallery. The numbering and hierarchy will automatically apply. Simply choose the desired heading style from the gallery, and the hierarchy level with auto-numbering will be created automatically. By following these steps, you can easily create your own custom multi-level numbering list.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.